So if we go back to the Henry Review, and the reason I want to use the Henry Review is that this was commissioned by a Labor government, which we currently have in there. In the main, it actually turned purple. And what I mean by that is that the Liberal Party embraced a lot of it as well. Neither of them put it in, but both of them embraced the majority of it. So taking Ben's GST point, that socioeconomic impact, what the Henry Tax Review pointed out was that if you were to jump up the GST to 15%, which is probably what it should be, you can then get rid of bracket creep, because what they were suggesting is that we should only have 3 bands of personal income tax. And it would mean that the tax threshold would have gone up to 50 grand. What it's basically saying is that your flat rate of tax is 15%. That's how it would look. And you pay that through consumption, that you realistically would see a little bit of an increase, but 15% on $3, it's something you buy at Coles or Woolies, is incrementally not that big. But all of your personal tax comes back to you, and you can efficiently use that better, because it means that if you work, you get rewarded for work, rather than having to give immediately after 20 grand, 18% back to the government, and so on and so forth. This is what's lost in this debate, is that it's always cherry picking. You're always looking, I don't like GST increase, full stop, not including the fact that actually the whole tax reform concept is the broad brush. GST got rid of all those other taxes I said before.